Hi, I'm Kirsten, and Gallery Glass creates the perfect stained glass finish on craft and home decor projects. It has been one of my all-time favorite Plaid products for over 20 years, and Gallery Glass now has a beautiful fresh look and so many exciting new products. And the basic techniques of Gallery Glass is so simple. You simply outline and then you fill, and all of your projects will be perfect. If you can outline and color, you can create the most beautiful stained glass projects with Gallery Glass. The first thing you want to do is pick your pattern, and then you simply place your surface over your pattern, and then you outline. To outline, you use the liquid lead, and you simply trace and draw directly over your pattern, creating that beautiful leaded pattern. You let that dry, and then the second step is you fill with color. Once you've completed filling everything in with color, you let that dry, and you have created the most beautiful stained glass look. Gallery Glass liquid lead is essential for creating beautiful stained glass projects. Gallery Glass liquid lead comes in an easy to squeeze bottle, a fine tip, which makes creating your lead lines so easy. You simply place your glass over your pattern, and then using the liquid lead, you trace and outline. When the liquid lead dries, it creates a 3D dimensional lead line that makes filling in with color so easy. Some of the other ways to use the liquid lead is you can create lead lines that can be used vertically, they can be used horizontal, they can be cut to different sizes, they can do straight lines and curved lines, and if you make a mistake, they're easy to remove. Gallery Glass liquid lead is water-based, it's non-toxic, and it's made right here in the USA. The Gallery Glass paint comes in over 40 beautiful colors. The colors dry translucent, allowing the light to come through and still see the bright, vivid colors. The Gallery Glass paint can be applied vertical or horizontal, and it will never run, whether you're crafting a 3D project like a vase or a privacy window for your front door. One of my favorite things about Gallery Glass paint is it is permanent until you're ready to remove it. It can be removed from any glass project. Using Gallery Glass paint is so simple. There's two basic ways to apply the Gallery Glass paint. To get a smooth glass finish, you simply fill your area with paint. You can blend 2 colors, you can blend 3 colors, and then you want to comb it with your combing tool, creating a very smooth finish, and let that dry. The second way to apply Gallery Glass paint is creating kind of a unique texture. My favorite color to use is the clear. You use the bottle tip and you go in a circular motion, very random, almost like a scribble. The key to creating this texture is you want a little less paint. You want to have openings where you can still see the glass, and that is what gives you that beautiful textured finish when your paint dries. A fun and unique way to use Gallery Glass paint and liquid lead is to create clings. Clings are basically peel and stick artwork. Clings can be repositioned and they are easy to remove. To create a cling, you simply pick your pattern, apply your lead lines, let those dry, fill it in with color, and once that color is dry, you have a removable sticker. Those clings can then be applied to 3D vertical or horizontal projects. The possibilities are endless. Gallery Glass is perfect for 3D projects, vases, frames, artwork, and more, and it's perfect for home decor and even your front door. Creating beautiful stained glass projects has never been easier. And for inspiration, project ideas, tips and techniques, and so much more, go to plaidonline.com/galleryglass.